Look, it'd be a lot easier if you emailed us your order. I love it when I get that one. Easy for who? You maybe, not me. If you want the business, you do the hard work. You email me the order and I'll approve it. Amazon has my credit card information on file, so when I want to order a book, I don't have to go through the lengthy account details process. They ask me to pick the credit card I want to use from the ones I've used previously. It saves me time. A fortune awaits the supermarket that works out how to get you and me out of their store without having to queue at a checkout. Great businesses spend time and energy focusing on ways to make it easier for customers to do business with them. There would be a myriad of ways that you could make it easier for customers to do business with you. And sometimes it's the little things that make the biggest difference. I buy suits from Parker & Co in the centre of Perth. When they're ready for collection, instead of having to park and walk up the mall, they invite me to call them from my car when I'm a few minutes away. They walk the suit out to St George's Terrace and hand it to me as I drive past slowly. It saves me time and I tell others. Having experienced that service, I expect it from everyone now, but I'm almost always laughed at when I ask other retailers to do the same. The easier you make it for your customers, the faster your business grows. I'm Kim Illman, and thank you for watching.